次は東京、東京。お出口は左側です。
The next station is Tokyo. The doors on the left side will open.
Hi wonderful people, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to Tokyo and I haven't packed. It's currently 10:02 and I have to leave in 1 hour at 11:15 to take the bus to the airport, so let's just get packing within this hour. Let's go. I'm waiting to board now. Yay! Hey guys, I just got the tickets to Shinjuku. Hi everyone, I just got to the hotel room and I just put my stuff down, went to the bathroom. So now I'm gonna head out to 7-Eleven to get cash and hopefully I'll be able to go to a ramen restaurant because there are several ones that closes much later. So I'll do that first. But yeah, let's go to 7-Eleven together. Oh my god, I don't know if you see the 7-Eleven, but it's there. I see the 7-Eleven, I'm coming for you. Okay, let's get some cash. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten the whole day. Well, I have. I had a sweet potato and an egg and a hojicha latte. That's it. And I'm really hungry right now. I'm starving. Anyways, let's go get money and go eat. Yes. The chef helped me, so I'm good. But I was like scared because I didn't know how to do it. But they're very nice and they help, so yay! Guys, I thought this would be ramen, but it's so Guys, I'm so full after the ramen because I didn't want to have any leftovers because apparently it's disrespectful, I remember. I'm not sure. Fact check me on that, but I don't want to look disrespectful, and because the chef was so nice to me, like he gave me an apron and everything so I don't like get stuff on my clothes, and I was like, oh, I can't do him like this, so I forced myself to finish my food. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going back to the hotel now, just gonna shower and pass out. But before then, I still have some work to do, so I'm just gonna do that first. Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, my hair is so funny. Anyways, I'm just gonna drink some water, do my makeup, and head out to get a matcha latte. And then we'll get shopping because I have to come back at around like 3:30ish, so I could grab my luggage and head to Tokyo Station to take the bullet train. Yeah, I am going to be grabbing a bullet train to go to Kyoto today in the afternoon. So anyways, let's do my makeup. Okay, I feel like I bring my mirror everywhere because I just do my makeup better when I sit down. It's just much faster because I'm so used to doing my makeup while sitting down with like a small mirror. But yeah, anyways, do you guys want to hear a story? So story time. I was in Vietnam, right? And then like, not everything in Vietnam is very affordable. So my family preferred to just shop there, get their nails done there, which is what I did as well. Get their hair cut there and also perm and all that. And then I wanted a root perm because I had one when I was in Hong Kong, But the thing is, it didn't show very well. But he was like, oh, come back next time because I used the wrong type of yeso. And I didn't end up going back because I didn't have time. So with that in mind, I went to Vietnam to see another like barber. I was like, oh, can I have a root perm? I don't think they understand what a root perm is. So they're like, okay, bang perm. But then like, I was like, no, the roots. And I told them to not cut any hair. And then they ended up cutting my bangs and then giving me a bang perm. I showed them photos too. And then when I woke up, because I fell asleep, when I woke up, I was like, what the heck is happening? At the top of my head, my hair is still short. It used to be like this. And it's so short now. I'm so sad. Cry. When they were giving me a perm, they curled my hair too close to my roots that my scalp started overheating and it was so painful. I felt like my skin was burning. Anyways, I'm just gonna do my makeup off camera and I'll see you. Good morning, everyone. I'm all packed and ready to go. I have a really good idea. Where is that? I will not store my luggage in the hotel, but I will just bring it to the station and then I would leave it in the locker so I have more time. Yeah. I just found a matcha place, so I'm just gonna walk over right now. I'm gonna try to walk from this station. No, I should go back up. Yeah, let's go back up. Guys, the shopping mall just opened, so I just came in and now I'm heading down to Matcha Tokyo. So, to get matcha latte. Guys, I just got my matcha latte. I'm so excited. I love matcha. Every single time I come here to Japan, I get matcha every single day. Hey guys, as usual, I'm going to the very top and starting to shop from the top to the bottom. So let's go to the top first. I didn't really find anything I liked in the previous mall, so I'm heading to another one. And it's so freaking convenient that the malls are just right next to each other and there are a lot of them, so there are a lot to choose from and I'm so happy about that. Let's go! Came to the restaurant and now I'm ordering. My food is here and they gave me this to teach me how to eat it. First, want to eat it with the special sauce, and then after you finish half of it, you want to put it in a bowl and then pour soup. Hey guys, so I just got to the hotel in Kyoto. So tonight I'm staying in a ryokan. That means it's like a traditional Japanese what's that called? Hotel. Yeah. Let me give you a room tour. So I leave my shoes here, and then if you go up, this is me, and then there's a shelf for luggage storage. So nice. And then this is the bathroom. You see my phone is in there, yes. Anyways. And then over onto this side. Wow. Wow, you sit here, drink tea. Wow, okay. And then I wonder what this is. Is this a window? Yes, it's a window, I think. Yeah, can't really see anything. I think I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna go take a shower and just edit and then pass out. Yes, let's eat first. Hi friends, I just called my friend and so now I just finished and I'm gonna eat because I'm a little bit hungry but not so hungry, so that's okay. Ooh, anyways, I got this from 7-Eleven on my way back home. I mean on my way to the hotel. It only works if you pull it at the same time, like both sides. Or not, I figured it out. Hi everyone, I just showered and my hair is still wet, but it's okay because the hair dryer in the hotel isn't very strong and it takes forever to blow dry my hair because of that. Anyways, let me just set up the bed because we're sleeping on tatami mats tonight. Come set up with me. I have to explain. This thing is what they gave me to wear for when sleeping. I don't think I wore it correctly. Like I didn't tie this part correctly, but it's okay, it works. Hey guys, I just got ready and right now I'm gonna head down and head to my other hotel so I can leave my luggage there and check in. Yeah, let's go. Hi everyone, I just dropped off my luggage at the hotel. Can't lie, I'm quite hungry, but then a lot of restaurants don't open until much later. So I'm just visiting a cafe to have a matcha latte. Let's go. Inside Don Donki right now just to shop around because I just passed by and I want to see if there are any like bags I can get to store my clothes so I could just check the bag. Yeah. Hey guys, I am waiting for the bus to get to the tea ceremony place right now and there's a lot of people waiting for the bus, but it's okay because there are a lot of buses that could get there. Everyone, I have just arrived at the location. I mean, almost. And then I'm just walking there right now. This is with the GPS. And there's so many aesthetic places I want to take photos at, so I'm just gonna walk around this area after I do the tea ceremony so I can get some photos. Yeah. So apparently I have to get dressed at their other location first and then I have to walk back to where I was to do the tea ceremony and they gave me a map, so that's good. Let's go. It's so funny because I walked past it and then the people who were supposed to be behind me saw me walking past it and they waved at me to tell me to go back. It's just so cute. Anyways, I think I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. Let's go. I got it. Let's walk back to the reception together and we'll start the tea ceremony. Yay!
We're going to make these two sweets up here. And we're
Guys, I just finished the tea ceremony and I'm just walking around in the kimono. Guys, apparently the Starbucks behind me is like one of the oldest buildings in, I think in Japan, yeah, in Japan. Anyways, let's head in to get a drink. Starbucks because it was super packed, so I found this hidden cafe and I'm just chilling here for a bit and then I'll head back and do some shopping and then grab dinner. Yeah. Let's get eating. I'm so hungry. Oh, they don't give straws. It's so good. Everyone, I just got to the hotel and also checked in, and now I'm heading out to the department store to get some matcha and also some clothes maybe. Anyways, let's go. Everyone, let me give you some updates. I just went to Daiso to get a bag so I can check that bag and put my clothes in there, and then now I'm waiting in front of this restaurant. It's a conveyor belt sushi restaurant. I'm so excited because I've always wanted to have it since the very first day I arrived, and now I'm finally having it. So I'm just waiting in line right now. Hi everyone, I got back to the hotel and I just thought maybe I should give you guys a haul of what I got these couple of days, well these 2 days. This. I went to 3 coins, got a clip, hair tie, claw clip. This is like a heart, so it's really cute. Claw clip, this is so cute. A necklace with a heart, bracelet, wristlet, I don't know. I kind of already opened this a little because I got this for my phone and it was inside the bag, so I opened it. But anyways, I got a huge heart necklace, earrings. I got some keychains. This is so cute. Like, there's no way I'm not getting this. And hair clip. I wanted to get this for my hair. It's like when I do my makeup, you know, I could just clip it. Because I've seen them like everywhere on the internet. And it's just so sad that I couldn't get it. Got a headband for when I wash my face. This is so cute. I've been like looking for this for so long and I finally found it. So I'm so glad I got it. And I got another keychain. I feel like keychains in Japan are kind of like cheaper than getting it in Hong Kong, so I just got this. I got a hair towel for when I wash my hair. So after washing your hair, you just kind of like with towel cap. Oh my god, it's a cap? Okay. Okay, I thought it like absorbs water. Maybe it does. Okay, but like I don't have a lot of hair, so I could just hold it up like this and then put it up and then put this on. Tier sunscreen. I heard that you could reapply after doing your makeup, so I got it. Then I got this because I need to heal my feet. Yes. So that's all I got. I'm walking to the forest right now And the weather's so nice. It's not too hot or too cold, and I love it. It's just chill. So yeah, I'm so excited. Let's go. Hey guys, I think I've got to the bamboo forest. Oh my gosh, my hair is not hairing today. Anyways, it's all bamboo. I'll show you guys. Okay, let's head into the Snoopy chocolate. Why am I so zoomed in? It's so pretty. Look. Guys, it's so pretty here. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm so happy. I'm going back to Kyoto station right now. I'm probably just gonna walk around for a bit and get ready to take the shinkansen. Is that how I pronounce it? I'm sorry. Yeah, back to Tokyo today. Yeah, let's go. Does anyone want to tell me why the train station in Tokyo is so aesthetic? Because it's all white. Hey guys, today is my last half a day in Japan and I'm just gonna do some final shopping. I'm gonna go get some cosmetics and some more clothes, and also I want to get a notebook, so let's go. I just got onto the bus. Now I'm heading to Narita airport because my flight is at 5 and I have to be at the airport at 3 and it's like 2 right now, so yeah. Everyone, I just went through customs and right now I'm waiting for my food so I can eat before getting on the plane because I haven't really eaten a meal the whole entire day, so yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hong Kong. It is a safety requirement that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off.
Take a break. 지금 넌 무슨 생각하는지